100% cotton cover, polyester fabric lining, polyester microfiber fill. 100% cotton cover features a breathable percale weave which increases airflow, so you're always sleeping cool. Innovative pillow in pillow design packed with microfiber fill, provides both support and comfort. Removable, machine-washable outer layer for easy cleaning. 2 gusset serves as the backbone of our pillow's construction. This allows for better neck alignment and an evenly distributed fill. Resistant to clumping, meaning it can bounce back with just a quick fluff. Packaging may vary. Mid-Loft King. 18 by 34, 2 gusset. Down alternative fill mimics the airy softness of down. We invented a unique pillow in pillow design that's built to satisfy all sleepers. We slept on over 60 different kinds of pillows from around the world to find the best fill types. Our pillow's buoyant core and plush, resilient, outer layer join forces to support all sleeping positions. Filled with nearly 1 billion microfibers, the pillow is adaptive and will respond to your movements throughout the night. Complete with a breathable cotton cover, the pillow is easily machine-washable and dryable. Top reviews from the United States. Great pillow. This is a great pillow that offers a good night's sleep and makes the bed look beautiful when not in use, if you have oversized pillowcases. I have scoliosis, curvature of the spine, so I have to be really careful about any pillows I might consider. As a side and back sleeper, I thought this pillow would be way too high in loft, but it is perfect. Once I put my head on it, it sinks down while providing support. Feels like a big hug. I have had a good night's sleep, uninterrupted, and have woken up feeling fully rested, something my $200 didn't offer. I highly recommend this well-made pillow that offers options with or without the cover. I was a bedding snob and a bedgear devotee, but I decided to take a chance on this pillow from the thousands of positive reviews and the research I did in advance. I am very glad I pulled the trigger on this one and bought it on Amazon Prime Day. My only regret is I didn't buy 2. One thing I will say is that I have oversized sheets and pillowcases, so my standard pillowcases are more generous than normal. This pillow fits perfectly in my pillowcases, whereas it may be a tight fit in regular standard pillowcases. Highly recommend this pillow from Casper.